other veggie star.
Friend. I want him to be our friend. No, he's running away! No!
Bummer.
Come back. Ooh, maybe. Oh, look, he's coming back.
That's not
That one's like eating the strawberry.
Right here. Put a veggie straw right here. Give me some straw.
That one ate a strawberry. Ooh. Oh, he's coming for him. That's so cute.
Oh, they're fighting.
Let's see how close they'll come.
Come on.
It's a dangerous game. He was going to get attacked by a seagull.
Come on. You can do it.
He's a little nervous.
Give some to his friend.
The other guy wants them, but there's like 4 right there.
Oh! That really scared me.
The strawberry. Oh my god, see now they're all over here, you guys.
Yes! Hi!
No, stop giving them food. Why are you
Oh my god. A doggy visitor.
I think they want you back.
Oh, are you leaving? Bye bye. Woohoo! 2. Congrats, David and Diana, 40 years of bliss.